Welcome to this tutorial on how to register and get started with Quemsi.com, a database backup and restore tool built for developers. Let's begin by navigating to the website. You'll see the Quemsi homepage. Click Sign in the top right corner to get started. Once on the login page, click the Don't Have an Account link to go to the sign-up form. Now fill in your details: your first name, last name, company, and email address. For your password, you can use a strong password suggested by your browser, or enter as you wish. Check the box to stay updated about important updates. Then click Icon button to request an auth code. Quemsi will send an authentication code to your email. Open your inbox and look for the verification email from Quemsi. Inside, you'll find your registration code. Head back to the sign-up form, enter the auth code, and click Create Account button. You'll see a confirmation banner. Your account has been created successfully. You're now on the Quemsi data page. To set up your first backup, click the Quick Backup Wizard button. This guided setup will walk you through everything you need. Click Start on the welcome screen. Next, you'll set up your local agent. Give it a name and click Create Agent. Then click Install Guide to see the installation instructions for your operating system. Switch to the Linux tab and copy the installation command. Open a terminal. Paste the command and enter your sudo password. The agent will download and install automatically. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation that the Quemsi agent is installed and running. Head back to the browser. The wizard will detect your agent and move to the next step. Now configure your data source. We will use local Quemsi database as an example. Select Postgres as the database type. Enter your database name and use the URL builder to set the correct port. Then enter your username and password. Click Test the connection to verify everything is set up correctly. Once you see the connected status, click Save and Next. The local drive and storage settings are pre-configured with sensible defaults. Click Save and Next to continue. Finally, give your backup flow a name and click Create and Execute to run your first backup. Your backup completed successfully. You can see a full summary of what was created: data store, local drive, storage, and backup flow. Click View Flows to inspect the flow execution details, including the steps completed and the execution logs. From the data view, you can explore your data snapshots, take new snapshots at any time, and restore previous versions with a single click. And that's it! You've successfully registered on Quemsi.com and completed your first database backup. Head to the documentation for more advanced features.